Welcome to another Scratch tutorial. In today's video, we're going to bring Sonic the Hedgehog into our Scratch game. So let's start by opening our previous project. So first things first, we need to say goodbye to our cat sprite. So I'll delete it to create space for our Sonic sprite. So we're going to create our Sonic sprite by uploading an image from our device. So I'll come over here and then pick out the upload sprite option. Then I'll come and choose the sprite I want to upload. And there it is. Can reduce its size to something like 30. Then we shall head over to the costume section where we shall edit our sprite. To make our sprite appear to walk and run, we shall create additional costumes by adjusting the original shape of our sprite in the first costume. To do this, make sure that your costume is in the bitmap mode. So here's the exciting part. If we want Sonic to run in both directions, right and left, we shall just come over here to our initial costume and then right click, choose duplicate to create a new copy of our Sonic sprite. So with our new copy, we shall head over here to the flip horizontal icon to make Sonic face the other opposite direction. For us to be organized, we are going to rename our first costume Sonic R since he faces right, and then we shall name the flipped version Sonic L since he faces left. So we have our Sonic sprite ready to move in both directions. Here's where things get a little bit tricky. To have my Sonic sprite walk continuously across this stage, I'll have to create multiple costumes. These costumes are going to show our Sonic sprite in different walking positions. So first, we shall highlight our Sonic sprite and shrink him to a very tiny size to achieve that pixel art look. Next, we'll duplicate this costume and create 7 more costumes, each showing Sonic in different walking positions. Take your time here. Precision is very key. It might be tense, but the end result is worth it. For this first sprite, we shall make Sonic stand straight on his feet by using these tools over here. So we'll edit each costume. We will edit each costume by highlighting the part we want, copying and pasting it where we need it, and then we can also rotate it to fit perfectly where we want it. So we are done with our costumes. Let's move on to create code for Sonic to move across the stage. So to create code for Sonic, I'll move over here to the events category and pick out the when green flag is clicked, and then I'll go to the looks category, pick out switch costume 2 so that whenever my game runs, it should start with costume 1 where Sonic stands on his feet. So whenever the game starts, I can also make my sprite go to a particular position, say -206 and -97. To make Sonic forever move across our stage, I'll move over here and pick out the forever loop. So I shall move here to the motion blocks and pick out the change X by block, and this is to move Sonic, say 0.5 steps continuously across the stage. And then to make Sonic appear to move across the stage continuously, I'll move to the looks category, pick out the next costume block, and I can make him wait, say 0.003 seconds. To explain this in summary, we shall run our game by clicking the green flag, and then Sonic will start with the first costume he had, and then we shall also make sure that Sonic is at this position when our game is started, and then forever Sonic will keep moving 0.5 steps to the right, wait for 0.03 seconds before he changes to the next costume. So let's run our program to see what happens. And that's it for today. In today's video, we're able to upload, edit, pixelate, and make our Sonic sprite continuously move across the stage. In our next video, we shall learn how to make our Sonic sprite jump over any obstacles. See you next time. Happy coding!